Hi guys, here is how you can block all adult websites on iPhone. You can limit adult websites in Safari and Chrome. Let's first do it on Safari. For that, open Settings, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on App Store Media, Web and Games, and in here tap on Web Content and tap on Limit Adult Websites. You might have to enter your password. Now you can add websites to Always Allow, or you can add websites to Never Allow, and you can add as many websites as you want. So this way you can restrict adult sites on Safari. Now let's do it for Chrome. Let me quickly open Chrome and go to google.com. Tap here and tap on More Settings. Scroll down and on Content tap on Save Search. And in here tap on Filter. It helps filter explicit images, text and links. You can also learn about Save Search here. If this video is useful, thank you very much.